Proworx has always been focused on high-performance parts for old-school muscle. But in recent years, the scope has expanded to include GM's ever-popular LS engine family. Just one of the many LS products available from Proworx is the Serpentine front drive system. An important aspect of any front drive setup is of course going to be anything that has the potential to affect your engine and its performance. With that in mind, Proworx has assembled a handful of premium accessories for this kit. For engine cooling, a top-of-the-line mechanical water pump, which has been given a modified hub designed specifically for this setup. For power steering, the popular GM Type 2 style pump has been selected. Both have been manufactured to meet or exceed all original performance specifications. To keep the driver cool, a Sanden SD7 style AC compressor is compact and efficient. And providing the electrical power in this setup is TSP's 160 amp CS130 style high-performance alternator. Driving the accessories in this kit is a set of high-quality billet brackets and pulleys, CNC machined from lightweight 6160 T6 billet aluminum. Included are pulleys for all engine accessories, as well as the crank and idler pulleys. Also included is a custom belt tensioner, and nestled between the crank pulley is Proworx high-performance harmonic balancer. All components have been meticulously manufactured for a perfect fit, and include all necessary hardware for easy installation. Proworx Serpentine front drive system has been designed to fit multiple engines in the LS family, and is available in two very distinct finishes. For a bright and flashy look, go with the polished brackets and pulleys, which come with beautiful chrome accessories. Or, for something more modern, go all black, with pulleys, brackets, accessories, and even the hardware all completely blacked out. So if you're looking for a refresh for your LS-powered hot rod, or you're ready to dress up the new engine for your resto mod project, this complete Serpentine front drive system is the ideal choice, and you can only get it from Proworx.